4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Lincoln, Scott. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 6, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Jasper, Jones, Neshoba, Newton, Scott, and Smith. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 6 has been issued from 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Jasper, Jones, Neshoba, Newton, Scott, and Smith. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 6, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following parish: Kennesaw, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Capaya, Hines, Jefferson, Lawrence, Lead, Lincoln, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 6 has been issued from 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish: Kennesaw, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Capaya, Hines, Jefferson, Lawrence, Lead, Lincoln, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, and Warren. Here's a special weather statement for the following county: Clark, Mississippi. A strong thunderstorm will affect central Clark County until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, meteorologists were tracking a strong thunderstorm near Delaware Soto, or near Quitman, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Nickel-size hail and winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. This strong thunderstorm will be near Quitman around 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Middleton, Sykes, and Sable around 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this storm include Pachuta. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Lincoln and northeastern Scott counties. At 4:01 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Harperville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe storm will be near Madden around 4:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Walnut Grove and Sebastopol. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for East Central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Lincoln, Scott. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 6, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Jasper, Jones, Neshoba, Newton, Scott, and Smith. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 6 has been issued from 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Jasper, Jones, Neshoba, Newton, Scott, and Smith. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 6, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following parish: Kennesaw, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Copiah, Hinds, Jefferson, Lawrence, League, Lincoln, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Leake and northeastern Scott counties. At 4:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Steele, or 7 miles west of Prospect, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe storm will be near Madden around 4:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Walnut Grove and Sebastopol. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for East Central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Leake and Scott. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Leake and northeastern Scott counties. At 4:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Steele, or 7 miles west of Prospect, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe storm will be near Madden around 4:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Walnut Grove and Sebastopol. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for East Central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Leake and Scott. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 6, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Jasper, Jones, Neshoba, Newton, Scott, and Smith. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 6 has been issued from 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Jasper, Jones, Neshoba, Newton, Scott, and Smith. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 6, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following parish: Kennesaw, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Copiah, Hinds, Jefferson, Lawrence, League, Lincoln, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 6 has been issued from 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish: Kennesaw, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Copiah, Hines, Jefferson, Lawrence, League, Lincoln, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, and Warren. Here's a special weather statement for the following county: Clark, Mississippi. A strong thunderstorm will affect central Clark County until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, meteorologists were tracking a strong thunderstorm near Delaware Soto, or near Quitman, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Nickel-size hail and winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. This strong thunderstorm will be near Quitman around 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Middleton, Sykes, and Sable around 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations. National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Neshoba County in east central Mississippi until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Prospect, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Downville around 4:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, Dixon around 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, Neshoba around 4:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, Philadelphia and Pearl River around 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, Bethsaida around 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, Burnside around 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, Nanawai and Forestdale around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Tucker. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for east central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Neshoba, Mississippi. Here's a special weather statement for the following county: Clark, Mississippi. A strong thunderstorm will affect central Clark County until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, meteorologists were tracking a strong thunderstorm near Delaware Soto, or near Quitman, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Nickel-size hail and winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. This strong thunderstorm will be near Quitman around 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, Middleton, Sykes, and Sable around 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this storm include Pachuta. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Neshoba County in east central Mississippi until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Prospect, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Downville around 4:25 p.m. Central Standard Time, Dixon around 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, Neshoba around 4:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, Philadelphia and Pearl River around 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, But State around 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Burnside around 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Nanawai and Forestdale around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Tucker. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter, inside a strong building, and away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for East Central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county, Neshoba, Mississippi. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Leake and northeastern Scott counties. At 4:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Steele, or 7 miles west of Prospect, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding and vehicles. This severe storm will be near Madden around 4:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Walnut Grove and Sebastopol. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter, inside a strong building, and away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for East Central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi, Leake and Scott. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 6, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Jasper, Jones, Neshoba.
Sorry guys, I don't see why the stream's gone. I'm gonna restart it here. Oh, here we go.
Remember, odds are favorable for the edging wind. While severe weather may not be...
Why is this glitch happening? Oh. Maybe my internet's having trouble. Anyways guys, SBC Morton 2001 here. Oh, here. Continues. What? Hold on. There was a severe weather statement.
10 p.m. Central Standard Time for East Central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5...
Okay guys, I was able to use my school iPad and my old phone here, so... Without further ado, let's listen.
Tornado Watch number 6.
Tornado Watch number 6, wow, that's...
Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Jasper, Jones, Neshoba, Newton, Scott, and Smith. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 6 has been issued from 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Jasper, Jones, Neshoba, Newton, Scott, and Smith. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 6, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following parish: Kennesaw, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Copiah, Hinds, Jefferson, Lawrence, Leake, Lincoln, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 6 has been issued from 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish: Kennesaw, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Copiah, Hinds, Jefferson, Lawrence, Leake, Lincoln, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, and Warren. Here's a special weather statement for the following county: Clark, Mississippi. A strong thunderstorm will affect central Clark County until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, meteorologists were tracking a strong thunderstorm near Delaware Soto, or near Quitman, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Nickel-size hail and winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with this storm. This strong thunderstorm will be near Quitman around 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Middleton, Sykes, and Sable around 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this storm include Pachuta. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Leake and northeastern Scott counties. At 4:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Steele, or 7 miles west of Prospect, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard: baseball-size hail at 60. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for Neshoba County. At 4:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dixon, or 7 miles north of Prospect, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe storm will be near Pool River and Neshoba around 4:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Philadelphia around 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Pasadena around 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Burnside around 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Nanawai and Forestdale around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Tucker. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for East Central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Neshoba, Mississippi. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Leake and northeastern Scott counties. At 4:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Steele, or 7 miles west of Prospect, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard: baseball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe storm will be near Madden around 4:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Walnut Grove and Sebastopol. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for East Central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Lee and Scott. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for Neshoba County. At 4:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dixon, or 7 miles north of Prospect, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe storm will be near Pool River and Neshoba around 4:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Philadelphia around 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Butte around 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Burnside around 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Nanawai and Forestdale around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Tucker. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for East Central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Neshoba, Mississippi. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 6, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Jasper, Jones, Neshoba, Newton, Scott, and Smith. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 6 has been issued from 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Jasper, Jones, Neshoba, Newton, Scott, and Smith. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 6, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following parish: Kennesaw, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Copiah, Hines, Jefferson, Lawrence, Leake, Lincoln, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 6 has been issued from 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish: Kennesaw, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Copiah, Hines, Jefferson, Lawrence, Leake, Lincoln, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, and Warren. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for Neshoba County. At 4:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dixon, or 7 miles north of Prospect, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe storm will be near Pool River and Neshoba around 4:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Philadelphia around 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Butte around 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Burnside around 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Nanawai and Forestdale around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Tucker. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for East Central Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county, Neshoba, Mississippi. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Jasper, Jones, Neshoba, Newton, Scott, and Smith. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 6 has been issued from 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Covington, Jasper, Jones, Neshoba, Newton, Scott, and Smith. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 6, effective until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following parish: Kennesaw, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Claiborne, Copiah, Hinds, Jefferson, Lawrence, Leake, Lincoln, Madison, Rankin, Scott, Simpson, Smith, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 6 has been issued from 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish: Kennesaw,